Guys, I wasn't planning on filming today, but this came in the mail and then I'm like, okay, done. We're filming today, I guess. Oh my gosh, so I just got my package from Kylie Cosmetics. It just came in the mail. Let's open her up. I can't believe I've never tried anything from Kylie Cosmetics. Like, this is crazy. Okay. All right. Kylie Jenner. I used to get told all the time when I was little that I looked like a pre-surgery Kylie. Oh, a box in a box. Lovely. Let's open this one. We even have the pink X-Acto going. This is perfect. Oh my gosh, it's literally like the same box but mini. Look at this. What the heck? Okay, my order is in here though. Let's dive into this. Let's do a little mini haul first of everything I bought, and then we'll jump into the review. A little unboxing, okay. So we have some Kylie stickers, super cute. We have the Power Plush Foundation. This is what inspired this whole order. I got the shade 2.5N. We got the Power Plush Concealer in the shade 1.5W. I really hope I shade matched myself well online. Setting powder, I got soft pink because pink powders are all the rage, and I feel like this one from Kylie was really talked about. And then pressed blush powder. I'm really excited about the blushes. I've heard such good things, and I got the shade Winter Kiss, the light pink. I'm very excited for that. And then I got some lip products. Guys, can you believe I've never owned a Kylie lip kit before? Oh, this color looks very different than what I was expecting. So this is Kylie Matte, and then I bought a lip pencil just in case we want to do a little bit of different color in the shade Comes Naturally. This is the Precision Pout lip liner, and then this is the lip kit. I cannot believe this is my first time ever trying Kylie Cosmetics. Like, how have I never tried a lip kit before and I claim to be a beauty guru? Who am I? Okay. So that's all the products. Let's dive into this review because I'm so excited just to get this on my face. Can you tell? I'm like, okay, let's get into this.
Tell me, baby, what's the problem? 'Cause I keep trying to figure it out. Oh no.
Alright, so just zooming you guys in there so we can get into this review. Alright, so here is what the foundation looks like. It comes in a nice glass frosted bottle with the pink cap and the pump. It's actually pretty heavy. It feels like a luxe product. I was really shocked by how expensive these products are from Kylie. I was like, okay, when I checked out, I think I paid like $300 for these products. So definitely a little bit more on the pricey side, but it's for you guys. So remember that. It's for you. I've seen most people apply this with a brush, so I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to use the Rare Beauty foundation brush just because I like the shape of this. So let's pump it out. Okay, I'm hoping the shade is good. Might be a little yellow, but we'll see, we'll see. And let's go in. It's smoothing out pretty nicely. It is more liquidy than I was expecting it to be. I was afraid it was going to be a bit more of a thicker foundation, but I would say it's like a medium thickness, right? Like you can still see some of my spots. I've done like a full pump so far, so I'm going to do a little half pump on my forehead. I don't like to take too much product on my forehead, and I also have like a smaller forehead, so we'll smooth that out. It's a lot more sheer than I was expecting it to be. It is applying nicely on the face so far. Okay, I'm going to take another half pump for the center of the face here, and then let's see if I can also build this up so we can get more coverage out of it. Okay, it's building a little bit. It's applying nicely on the skin though. It's not really clinging to my dry patches or anything like that. That's sitting really nicely on the skin so far. The shade is actually good. I have a bit of dryness on my nose, and that's sitting okay. It's not giving me full coverage. Let's see if I can build it up right on that spot there. Like the foundation is kind of shearing out to like a, I would say, medium coverage foundation, but it's sitting very like lightweight on the skin, but you can still tell it's like a foundation, if that makes sense. But yeah, not full coverage, which I don't mind. Like you guys know, I like when my skin's kind of peeking through anyways, but that's what it's looking like on. What do we think? All right, moving on to the concealer. So what this looks like, the packaging kind of has the same vibe. I'm surprised she came out with the concealer before the foundation, but we have them both now. I got the shade 1.5 in this. Oh yeah, nice and brightening. I had a trouble shade matching the concealer. The foundation, I was like pretty good, and honestly, like it's a good match. The concealer, I always kind of have trouble with. So this will be a very bright concealer, that's for sure. But I feel like Kylie has a very bright under eye usually when she does her makeup. So I'm just gonna apply it to highlight. don't know if we're gonna get any spot concealing out of it, but I'll try it out like that. Yeah, let's do that. I'm just gonna use that same brush to blend. Oh, that blended in effortlessly. I feel like this is a light concealer, like consistency wise. Like it's not thick or creamy. Like definitely nothing like the Tarte Shape Tape where it's like super thick. It's very workable and more liquidy. More on the hydrating side from what I can tell so far. But I just feel like it will actually last, which we'll see because we're going to be doing like a full day wear test with this. But we're definitely getting that brightening going on. I don't love how it's sitting on my nose. I do have a lot of dryness on my nose right now just because it's so dry where I live. But let's just see. It definitely gave me that bright under eye. A little bit goes a long way. Like I don't even think I needed that much product, but oh well. And it's a little yellow, but luckily I bought the pink powder. It's kind of clinging to the dryness I have under my eyes right now, which I don't love that. I don't know how much I love that concealer. It's just emphasizing my dryness in a way that I'm not the biggest fan, and then it kind of just took away the foundation in that spot there. Like, do we see how it's kind of clinging to my dryness a little bit? The foundation didn't do that. I don't know if my skin's just super dry right now, but we'll see how that wears. But right in that inner corner, I'm not liking how that's sitting on my skin. The foundation so far is sitting nicely. So let's keep moving along. Next up, we have the setting powder to try out. Now, I know people keep saying pink powder's out, but like for me, it's still in. So I got the shade Soft Pink. Oh, that does not look pink to me. What do you guys think? Does that look pink to you? Soft pink. That looks yellow. Let's just go ahead and try it. I do like the container for this powder. I like when they have this little situation going on. I just find they're not as messy this way. This is not pink, y'all. What is going on? Soft pink. Is this right? Like, is this how this is supposed to look? Okay, let's just set the face. I feel like this is definitely a yellow. Yeah, that's so yellow. What the heck is going on? Isn't that weird? Like, I feel like that is not pink at all, actually. I'm just gonna set, it's very matte from what I can tell so far. It is finely milled, which is nice, but it's definitely very matte. I feel like Kylie wears her makeup more on the matte side, and the container is very interesting because look at the cap. I've never seen a cap like this, so you can't really like, how are you supposed to get product? Let's just set the center of the face. It's setting the face down very matte, as you can see. As I was saying, Kylie does wear her makeup pretty matte most of the time from what I see online, especially in this zone of her face. But this powder to me is not pink whatsoever. I don't know if this is right. Like, can anyone tell me if you've tried this powder, did yours look like this? Or am I going crazy and this is not the pink powder? Like, I'm really curious now. I don't like how this is sitting on the nose, that concealer. Not my favorite on the dry patches, but the foundation is still good, like I said. Moving on to the blush. This is in the shade Winter Kiss. I'm hoping this will kind of bring the life back to the face because I have heard really great things about her blushes. So this packaging is very cute. Let's open it up. Ooh, it comes with little Kylie drip plastic thing here. That's a cute detail. And then a mirror, and then it just says Kylie in there. The color, very pretty. I don't think I own a blush this color, so I'm very excited to try this out. I'm gonna use a pink blush. This one's from Wet n Wild. Dip in here. This is very interesting because it's a very light pink. Oh, that's pigmented though. I wasn't expecting it to be that pigmented. Let's go ahead and dust this on the cheeks. I don't think I've tried a blush this cool tone and this light before, but I feel like this is the Kylie Jenner look. Like, she has that bright under eye, that matte center of the face, and then like lots and lots of pink, baby doll pink blush. Like, it's very baby doll pink. It's not like a Barbie pink. So I'm just gonna go more heavy-handed with that. Am I Kylie Jenner yet? What do we think? That is pretty. I like this a lot. It's a very matte blush. I typically use something with a little more movement to it, but it's sitting nicely on the skin, easy to apply, a good amount of pigment to it. Blending nicely. Like, I hate when I have a powder blush that I apply and you put it on and then it doesn't like let you blend it out from there. So very nice. I'm going maybe a little heavy-handed with it, and I'm just gonna take a bit of the powder and go on top in the center. But that is a very pretty color. I haven't used anything like that before, but I am really liking it. I'm just gonna go do the eyes because I'm just gonna do like a very simple look. Kylie's been rocking a lot of like soft glam eye looks lately where it's like very, very minimalistic. So I'm just gonna go do something like that, and then I'll be back so we can try out the lip products, which I'm really excited for. All right, so I just finished the eyes. As I said, very simple glam. It is coming together. I'm channeling my inner Kylie. The under eyes are not sitting so pretty for me, but I really like how the foundation is sitting on my textured skin actually. Like I really, really like it. It's not clinging to my dry spots, and as I said, my skin's been very dry lately, so that's great. I'm loving, loving that. Do you want to shape up my brows a little bit today? So I'm just going to take a little empty brow pencil. Just give the fronts of my brow a little bit more structure. So I'm really confused about the whole powder thing. I don't think this is the shade Soft Pink, because to me this isn't soft or pink. I did just check my order, and the powder I ordered looks a lot more pink, so let me know if this is right. But when checking my order, I realized I missed out on a product in the box, so it was like at the bottom. I did also purchase the Kylie Jenner Plumping Gloss in the shade Crave Him, so we're gonna be trying that out as well now. So the face is done. Oh, I didn't apply bronzer. I'm just gonna use Jones Road since I don't have a Kylie bronzer, and I didn't think to pick one up because I don't know, I just feel like I don't like hear too much about Kylie's bronzers. Like I bought the foundation, the concealer, the blush, the powder, the lip products of course, but that's like the main thing I hear regarding her stuff. So I'm just using a little bit of this Jones Road powder. I'm gonna contour the nose slightly. I just warmed up the face a little bit. I do like the like life this foundation has. Like it's very movable on the skin. It's not sitting heavy, which I really like. All right, let's move on to the lips now. I'm so excited for this. So we're gonna start off with the lip kit. I cannot believe I've never tried this before. I have to keep this box. Like this is iconic. My first ever Kylie lip kit. She's got like the, you know, gold teeth on there and everything. So I just bought this in the shade Kylie. Oh, this is not the same. Like, what is up with these colors? So this looks to me like a deep pink, and then this is what I got, which is a very much nude. That's so confusing. What is going on? All right, so we have the lip liner in the shade 808 Kylie and the liquid lipstick in the shade 808 Kylie as well. I also purchased another lip liner. This is in the shade Comes Naturally because I personally prefer like a darker lip liner, a lighter like center lip look. So I thought, you know, I'm probably gonna need a deeper lip. Oh, these are different formulas. Okay, so let's start off with this dark one like I usually do. And I'm gonna apply it on the outer side. Oh, this isn't even that dark, but the color is really, really pretty from what I can tell so far. Okay, first off, formula. I like that this is a stiffer, like not very creamy formula. I like that in a lip liner. I'm curious to see how these all apply on my lips because they're very small. So let's see. Do you just see that line that gave me and how I was able to overline? I like this pencil a lot. This is a really, really good lip liner formula. And look how I was able to overline and it didn't get all smudgy. I like this, and this color, stunning. This is like my perfect lip liner color. So that I'm gonna be a big fan of. Comes Naturally. Let's try out the shade 808 Kylie. This might be a little light for me. Oh, and this is a different formula. Okay, yeah, this is a lot more creamy as you can tell. So let's try it. Oh yeah, this is a very soft, creamy lip liner. I do like the color of this one as well. Let's do a little color comparison. So there's 808 Kylie, and then here's Comes Naturally. Honestly, they're very, very similar in color. Online, I thought this one would be a lot darker, but I do think I have to say I like the formula of this one more. This one is nice though. It's just more creamy. So I didn't know she had two different lip liner formulas. So there, Comes Naturally and 808 Kylie. You can see how this one isn't as creamy, but it just really depends on what you prefer. All right, so let's jump into the liquid lipstick here. This is the matte liquid lipstick. I haven't used a matte liquid lipstick in so long. Let's swatch it. Oh, more on the pinky side. Okay, so it doesn't match the lip liner perfectly. I do like that the lip liner is darker. I do prefer that. So let's go in with this. Oh yeah, definitely more pink. Oh my gosh, I haven't used a liquid lipstick like this in so long. The color is nice, warmer than I expected it to be. It's applying nicely. Oh yeah, that's so matte. Holy. Oh, that just dried down immediately. Kylie loves a matte lip. That dried down instantly. It's not emphasizing my dryness though, which is nice, and it feels very lightweight on the lips. Sometimes liquid lipsticks feel like hell on the lips. This one's not doing that. I actually like that, but I just need some moisture now. I used to do the whole liquid lipstick thing all the time, and now I'm like, I just need that moisture. So we're gonna try the gloss out now. This one is in the shade Curve Him Kylie lip gloss. This is the plumping gloss in the shade Curve Him. Ooh, nice and big applicator. Oh, very like plumping formula. You can tell already. More of that sticky plumping formula. Has a little bit of color to it and shimmer. Has that nice gold reflex in there. So let's go ahead and apply. Oh, that's spicy. Very plumping. Holy, okay. Definitely has that burning sensation of it. Doesn't have a scent, which I like. I don't like when lip products have a taste or a scent really. Definitely plumping. Gave my lips that juicy look and nice and shiny gloss. I love this lip shade. I think it's a very flattering shade. Very nude, but still gives you that glam look. I do need a little bit of something over top of it, but for a liquid lipstick, it's a very nice formula. I get why people were obsessed with these. The lip liner is really, really great too. So I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day. The powder, confused on. The formula I like, but the color we're confused on. The concealer, I don't know yet. It kind of like clung onto my dryness, whereas like the foundation didn't. So I feel like if it was my skin, it should have done that for the whole face, but it's literally just where I applied the concealer, like under my eye. You can see there, it's just not looking the best on my nose. Whereas the foundation, I just feel like it's looking really nice all over the face. So I'm liking that. And then the blush, I really like this. This color is stunning. I need to wear more of these baby doll pink blushes because I really, really like how this is looking on my skin. So that's a win so far, but we're going to wear this makeup throughout the rest of the day, and I'm going to update you guys at the end of the night to see how this makeup looks. Before I let you go here though, let me show you really quick what this makeup looks like in different lighting. So here of course is right in front of my ring light. Here is away from my ring light. You can kind of see that texture pop up a bit more. And then here is some bathroom lighting. I just find the bathroom lighting gives a really realistic look on the makeup. So there you have it. I will see you guys later tonight. The aftermath, guys. Time to clean this up. I just wiped off the swatches off my hand. That stuff was hard to wipe off. Like, I'm serious. The lip liner, I thought it would be the liquid lipstick that I wouldn't want to wipe off, but it was the lip liner. The lip liner that came in the lip kit. That was so hard to take off. So I'm hoping that this lip lasts this long time, but I will check in with you guys later. Alright guys, so I've been wearing this makeup for like 8 hours now, so I thought I'd give you an update because I'm about to take it off and go to bed. I actually did not reapply the lip, and I was eating, drinking, all of that, and like it's honestly pretty much still there. The lip liner is a little like smudged a bit, but it's still, I would say there. The gloss obviously wore off, but the liquid lipstick color is still there a little bit too. The concealer, not a fan of. Look how bad it creased. Do we see that? So I don't think that concealer is my favorite. I've never creased this bad with a concealer, even though like there's other nights where I'm like laughing, smelling all of that. Never had this much creasing, so that's not the best. Foundation definitely wore pretty nicely. It got a little bit oily here and here, so I would need a bit of touch up. The blush, very impressed with the blush because it lasted a really long time. You can still see like it's still very much there. So that's awesome. I would definitely use the foundation, the blush, the lip products I would definitely use again for sure. I really am impressed with how they wore. The powder I will use again, but I'm just confused with the whole color thing. I need to figure that out. And the concealer, not my favorite, but there it is guys. Full face of Kylie Cosmetics. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you want me to try out next. If you want to see more content of mine, check out my Instagram and TikTok. I post every single day on there. And then I also have the podcast, Loud Talk with Lavi. We post every single Sunday, 7 a.m. MST on YouTube, Spotify, Apple, and all streaming platforms. We really focus on breaking down the walls of beauty standards one flaw at a time. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember to tell yourself you love your skin today. Bye everyone.
Tell me, baby, what's the